asuntosykeyhtiö Säästömartti.
Yes, and it's the 27th of October 2022, and this is Iivisniemenkatu, Iivisniemenkatu tyystekijäisiin. This is the last take is to be filmed, and this essentially putting 3 films out, 7 out of 7. FG are the 2 last ones. This has 6 floors. It was built in 1969, finished in late 1969, turned 50 years old in 2019. But this one does go to the basement for a service store there.
Yeah.
Strange. The number is 17238. So it's 2 rights, and it's going to be inspected in 2024. And I love the sounds and the smell in here.
Same. Respekteert paikki väistyttää, että me teet paikki sille.
So both I have found that this house is better than house 4, not only because it's the older one, but also because it's the beautiful red and blue style, and the special things here, like no basement floor on this one and stuff, AKYK, etc.
Yeah.
Let me try the alarm bell now, just to show you.
That's